Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Times 132nd release design team project. And today we'll be focusing on a couple dies, but right now I'm showing you the springtime paper, which I shared with you on Monday, and those are some of the colors that I'm using. Today we are focusing on everyday word dies. Love this set. It does come with a shadow piece behind it, and it's so pretty. And then next up we'll be focusing on this rain background cover plate die. Love the impact that this gives. Love how it goes perfect with these tulips in the background. And those are the dies, the tulip dies that we showcased yesterday. And on my card I did use a few extras. And then here goes the watering cans Stampin' Dies that we used the other day, except for I'm just using that heart right there. And then from her previous release last month, I'm using the medium teacup dies, and I'm only using just the teacup itself, not the shaker bits. But love the impact that this gave on this card, and let's check out that card right now. Love how it looks. It's so pretty with that thinking of you, the extra tulips that are in the cup, and everything about this card. Love that background die. It just made just the impact that I needed. That's all I have for you. Make sure you head over to My Creative Times store, as well as my design team sisters. And then this release will be available for you on this Friday, April 28th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.